Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this festive makeup look. The colors are super friendly, so you can actually pair this with a lot of different outfits you will be wearing this season. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. In order for my makeup to last really long, I'm going to be using this primer as my base, and I'm going to apply this all over my face generously. This will make sure that my foundation is locked in for a long time and will last through all the dancing. I will also be taking another primer and I'll apply this on the areas where I have more open pores, so around my nose, chin area and on the center of the forehead. For foundation, I'm using this one by Bobbi Brown. It's the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Foundation and I am in Warm Natural, and this one stays on for quite a long time. I'm using this with a buffing brush and I'm buffing this into my skin for good coverage. Don't forget to buff the foundation into the forehead and the corners of the face so that your base looks really natural. And also make sure that you're pulling the foundation all the way down till your neck. And then I'm taking a little bit more and using a damp beauty blender and putting this basically on areas where I want a little extra coverage to cover my acne scars, and mainly on pigmentation around my mouth. By doing this, the foundation blends into my skin really well and does not look very cakey. And for concealer, I'm using the Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. This one gives really good coverage, and whenever I want 100% coverage on my skin, I always go in for this concealer. So I'm just applying this on the under eye area, around my mouth, and basically around the cheek where I have a little bit of post-acne scars. And I'm not buffing this into the skin, I'm just patting it with a brush so I get maximum coverage. And if you can see, this has given me quite a flawless and 100% coverage around the under eye area. And always remember, whenever you want more coverage, always press the product into the skin and don't try buffing it too much. And to lock in all the makeup, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Revitalize Primer Essence, and I'm spraying this all over my face. And I'm just locking in all that primer by using a damp beauty blender, and I'm just pressing it onto my skin. And then I'm using the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder in Banana, and I'm applying this on my under eye area and around the mouth. For brows, I'm using the Benefit 3D Brow Tones in number 4. This really fills in my eyebrows with a touch of brown that matches the color of my hair. For eyes, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm picking up this fuchsia pink color. And I'm only applying this in the inner corners till the center of my eye. And just to soften the crease area, I'm just using a blending brush. And I'm blending this color into the crease area as well. And then I'm using the Nykaa Eyes On Me eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up this color which has this beautiful pop of gold in it, and I'm just applying this on the outer corners of my eye. I'm just blending in all the colors really well and repeating the same thing on the other eyes. And then I'm using the Kiro eyeshadow stick in Sandy Copper, and I'm just lining the top eyelids with this from the center of the inner waterline till the outside. And just to soften this a little bit, I'm using a smudge brush. For kajal, I'm using the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in black. And I'm generously lining my lower waterline with this. And I'm also going to apply this on the upper waterline as well. To soften it and smudge it out, I'm using a smudge brush. And I'm really smudging this on the outer corners to get a really nice smoked out look. To add a pop of color in the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Illuminating Powder in Golden Hour. This gives a really nice pop of shine in the inner corners and it really lightens up your eyes. I'm using this under the eyebrows as well. And just to increase that color and to add some more color that will not move through all the dancing, I'm using the Etude House Mirror Holic in BE101. These basically are shimmer particles that really stick on your skin and give that pop of sparkle and shine. For mascara, I'm using the Smashbox SuperFan mascara. And I'm generously going to apply this on the upper and lower eyelashes. For contour, I'm using the Smashbox Cali Contour. I don't really prefer contouring much, but this gives a really nice subtle effect. So I'm just applying this in the hollow area and I'm taking this up a little bit till my forehead. For blush, I'm using the K-Beauty Matte Blush in Tickled Pink. And I'm generously going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks because I love applying blush. And then I'm also applying the Bobbi Brown Illuminating Powder in Golden Brown on the highlights of my face. So on the upper corners of my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose, and also on the Cupid's bow on my lip. For lips, I'm using the SimplyNam Hydrating Lip Butter in Rani. It's such a beautiful cinnamon pink that you can actually wear every day. And just to add a hint of coral to my lips, I'm using the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro HD Lipstick in Tea Rose 10. And I'm just dabbing this so both the colors blend in really well. And that's it, guys. That's it for the finished look. I had a lot of pinks and coppers and golds in my outfits and jewelry, and that is why I opted for these colors. I think these colors can really complement all your different outfits as well. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share this with your friends, comment below and tell me which was your favorite part in the entire video. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!